What we're talking about today is not a trading bot. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't ask permission, and it doesn't need human control. This is Sentinel. None of this is financial advice, always do your own research, but let's dive into this amazing project. So today we're talking about Sentinel because this is a project that has raised nearly $2 million. The pre-sale is ending soon, so this could be your last chance to get in. But what exactly is Sentinel? Well, Sentinel is a self-improving market organism, a decentralized AI network designed to operate continuously without human intervention. It runs entirely on its own logic, executing its purpose across the market non-stop. In short, Sentinel is a decentralized autonomous trading protocol that runs continuously on-chain, executes predefined strategies across markets without manual input, human intervention, or centralized oversight. Once live, the system operates on its own logic, monitoring markets, executing trades, and managing positions automatically. It's important to note that this is not a bot and it's not a dashboard. Unlike traditional trading bots that require constant tuning, manual triggers, or centralized servers, Sentinel is deployed as a self-running protocol. It has the watcher, which is always observing, the mover, which is instant execution, the distributor, which will distribute the funds, the multiplier, which is a self-evolving system that scales across blockchains, and it's got cross-chain awareness and autonomous operation, which basically means no human control. So basically, no one's clicking buttons behind the scenes. The logic is embedded, the execution is autonomous, and the system runs 24/7. Now, who actually built this and who does it reward? Well, Sentinel is built by the XCL team and backed by the XCL Mafia community. The goal is simple. Profits generated by the system are designed to benefit XLR and Sentinel holders rather than centralized intermediaries. And all of this is powered by the Cent token. So yes, the Cent token has a very specific tokenomics that we're going to go through right now. First of all, we have 20% for the community distribution. That's going to be instant airdrops in Ethereum. Then we have 50% in supply reduction, which is an automated burn. So with this, they're going to have continuous buyback and burn mechanisms in which the supply decreases daily and scarcity increases with every trade executed. They also have XCL, the token's supply reduction as well, which is another automated burn. And they've got the forks formula, which basically means that 100% of rewards generated by Sentinel will be processed through the forks formula for relayer rewards. The tokenomics for this are pretty straightforward. We have 85 to 90% of this going through the AI trading network. And then there is 10 to 15% in liquidity pools to keep the price stable and allow for seamless trading. Now, why is this opposing centralized exchanges? Well, the protocol is designed to operate against inefficiencies and opportunities created by centralized exchanges and institutions. Instead of value flowing upward to middlemen, Sentinel is structured to redirect that value back to the ecosystem, which basically means the average retail trader like you and me can benefit from this. Now, why does autonomy matter in this case? Well, autonomy removes emotion. It removes manual error and centralized control. Sentinel doesn't panic sell, chase hype, or shut off during volatility. It executes exactly as designed continuously. Now, this sounds a lot like a rogue AI, but guys, this is not alive in a sci-fi sense. It's an autonomous on-chain trading protocol built to run non-stop without human interference and reward its holders in the process. Getting involved with this is super easy. All you got to do is connect your wallet, and then you can see you can actually deposit with Ethereum or USDT. And then you simply type in how much you want to pay. You'll see how much you will receive. And then you simply press the buy button that will be here. So if you want to check this out yourself, guys, definitely go ahead and hit the link in the description. And if you want to see how Sentinel works and what it's built to do, go ahead and read the mechanics for yourself because it's definitely something that is unique and super interesting. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.